Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video I'm really excited to do. It is going to be my Beautylish Lucky Bag unbagging. Oh gosh, I'm really nervous. So this just showed up. I actually just finished filming for my Willy Bite video that would have went up the day before, talking over all of the new makeup releases. And as I was turning to click my camera off, I saw the FedEx truck pull up and I was like, please be my lucky bag. And it is. So I'm going to be going through and sharing what I got in here, opening it up for the first time. So let's just jump into it. If you guys are not familiar with the Beautylish Lucky Bags, they do this every year, right around December 26th, I think is usually when it goes live to be able to purchase them. And then kind of the idea behind it is that it's just a mystery bag. You can typically purchase a regular size. They have an extra large size. This year they had a few different options too. I went with the regular size, which was $75, and I believe you're supposed to get $150 worth of product in here. And then, you know, it's a mystery bag. You don't know exactly what you're getting, but it'll be from the retailers, obviously, that are sold on Beautylish. I've only done this one other time in the past. It was 2 years ago, I think it was, and I didn't have the best experience with it. Not because the bag was necessarily bad, but because they don't ship for so long. So like, I purchased this on December 26th. Mine didn't ship until January 17th. You know, there's a lot that can happen in between those times. And the last time that I ordered the bag, actually in between of me ordering it and then actually getting it, my husband lost his job and we were just like in a really weird spot, and especially financially. And then a box shows up that I paid $75 for that I didn't even know what was inside. It was really hard to be enthusiastic about the bag. But I mentioned this in my Willy Bite video when the boxes and the bags were being announced, and there was some kind of mixed feedback in there, but a lot of people were saying kind of what I thought is like, give it another shot, give it another chance, like maybe replace a bad memory with a good memory. And again, because this is a mystery bag and you don't know what's in here, you just kind of gotta hope for the best. So like I said, I did the regular one, which was $75, and you paid $10 for shipping, and then with taxes and everything it came out to $90.25, I believe is what I paid. Again, ordered it the 26th, it shipped on the 17th, and I'm filming this on, I don't know the date today, the 21st is when it arrived. So let me go ahead, we'll just open it up for the first time. Some bags are supposed to be luckier than others and all of that, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. And there's a little tag in here, so it says Lucky Bag 2020. It says Lucky Bags are Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. I've only seen a couple videos so far on this one, and I have to say no one's box has really like blown me away, so I'm starting to feel a little bit nervous. I feel like last year and the year before there was some really amazing bags going out. Mine is bubble wrapped pretty good. I've been trying to undo this without really looking. Okay, so the first product that I see is from R&Co. This is their Spiritualized Dry Shampoo Mist. I saw Michelle Wong get this one as well. I've never tried a dry shampoo mist, so I'm kind of curious about it. I'm not familiar with the brand myself, but I do use a lot of dry shampoos, and this looks like a nice travel size, and it's not aerosol, which can be tricky to get through security and all of that. So I'm going to Vegas next week for my mom's birthday and to meet up with some friends. So maybe I'll put this in here because, again, I use a lot of dry shampoo because I don't wash my hair every day or every other day. Not gonna lie. The next thing that I see, okay, is another hair product. Cool. This is from Oribe. This is their Après Beach Wave and Shine Spray. So this looks like a small, it is a really cold because it is frigid in Iowa. So it says you can spray on wet or dry hair, tousle to taste and let dry in the Saint-Tropez air. I don't live in Saint-Tropez. Follow with lipstick and heels. Wow. Alrighty then. So this one is more of the aerosol can, but a wave and shine spray. I use a lot of like texture sprays and such because I have very like fine thin hair, but I mean, I'll try it out, but 2 hair care products doesn't really get my juices flowing after spending so much money on this box. But okay, next up I see a brush. Oh, this is a Wayne Goss brush. This is the 05 brush, so it looks like a little pencil brush, so it could be good for the lower lash line or for like detail work, inner corner, brow bone, things like that. So the Wayne Goss 05, I mean, you can really never go wrong with a pencil brush. I have quite a few, but I like them, so not bad, not bad. Okay. Next, this is from Cover FX. This is the glitter drops in Aurora. It says these weightless drops of ultrafine glitter can be used anywhere you want for a lustrous glow. Okay. The glitter drops, I feel like, oh, okay. This is a large product. I don't know if I would really use this a lot myself. Glitter drops. I don't know. I don't even know if I've heard of this. Can be used anywhere. I very highly doubt I would use this. So that's not too exciting. I saw Cover FX and I got excited, but I probably wouldn't use that. I don't even know. I guess it's like a body product, or maybe you can use it on your face. Not really sure. Okay. Let's keep going. Next up is, oh, what I did not want. I've seen people get this in their lucky bags and I've been like, really? This is the Riviera palette from Anastasia. Okay, I've had some thoughts because I've seen people get this, or I've seen people say on Twitter that they're getting the Riviera. And to me, this is a disappointment because you can get the Riviera at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, like super discounted. So to pay $75 for a bag to get something that's already on sale and that's already at discount retailers. The palette has gone on sale multiple times at Sephora and Ulta. To have put that into a lucky bag just kind of feels like it just kind of like cheapens the bag to me, to be honest. Oh, I was hoping I didn't get that because I knew it would put me in such a negative mood. But again, it's just, I understand it's a lucky bag and you don't know what you're going to get. And that's the appeal or the mystery, and the mystery to it, but also the risk of it. But again, it just goes back to something that has been on sale so often, is available at discount retailers. To put it into something like this is like, what? Because I remember even a couple years ago, people getting like the Charlotte Tilbury palettes, or Natasha Denona palettes, Jeffree Star palettes even, which are pretty pricey too. So I don't know. And Anastasia has come out with a lot of palettes. Recently, the Riviera was like a spring summer release. They've released just so many palettes. Like even if they had maybe like one of the Norvina palettes in here or something like that, maybe it would have made it a little bit more exciting, but to have it be the Riviera is just kind of like, okay. So moving on. This is from Good Molecules. This is their instant cleansing balm. I do like Good Molecules. I've tried their skincare. I do have this product. I've seen quite a few people get Good Molecules in their bag, so I was hoping I'd maybe get a product that I don't already have, but I do like cleansing balms. I actually haven't even opened this one yet from Good Molecules, so I'll probably pop this one into a giveaway just so I can use it, use the one that I already have. But I do like Good Molecules. I think they're a good skincare brand. Next up I see, oh, this is from Becca Cosmetics. This is their Velvet Blurring Primer in Apricot Haze. I didn't know that there was different, did I know that there was different ones in here? I've tried their blurring primer before. Let me just take a peek at it to make sure it's what I'm thinking of. Yeah, I've tried this primer before. And I didn't love it. I've decluttered it out of my collection because it like pills up really bad on the skin. Like when you're like first applying it, it like pills up in little balls on your skin. So I wouldn't be using this one either because I didn't really get on with it. Darn, I saw Becca and I got excited too, but yeah, that I didn't really think this was a very good product, so okay. And then I have one more item in here. This is from Hourglass. Oh, this is one of their Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipsticks. I saw Michelle Wong get one of these too, and I was actually excited about it. She said that she didn't love the formula though, but I've been curious to try them, but they're really expensive lipsticks. I think these are $34. I'm gonna go through and add everything up too so I can see what the value is. This is in the shade At Night, but I've been wanting to try out the formula, give it a test. So actually, I feel like I'm probably the most excited about a lip product in here, but let me see the shade. It's very like very sleek, very fancy looking lipstick and everything. And then let me see. Oh, okay. What was this one called? At Night, I think. So this is more of a red. Okay, so that's kind of disappointing because Okay, I don't wear reds a ton, so it's not going to be like the easiest thing to just be kind of constantly slapping on my lips to see what I think of the formula, but it's a really beautiful red. It appeared to swatch like very creamy, and it looks like it has a lot of pigment to it. So I mean, every once in a while I wear a red lip, but I kind of wish it was not a red, but that's okay. I'm excited to still try the formula. I can see what I think and see if they're worth it, because again, I mean, packaging wise it's really beautiful, but it's very expensive. So that is everything in my lucky bag. Let me go to the website. I'm going to add up everything here and I'll let you guys know my total. Okay, I have some prices. The R&Co for the 1.7 fluid ounces is $14. I'm a little, I don't know about this Oribe spray. This is only 1 ounce and I can't find this for sale anywhere. The regular size starts at like 2.3 ounces for $22, and then they also have an 8 ounce one. So I don't know if this is just supposed to be like an add-in, like a you're really lucky you have another hair care product in here. I don't know. So again, the closest size that I could find was 22, but I'm gonna say this is in like $12. I don't even know if you can buy this size retail wise or if it's just something that they put into these bags. I don't know, but that's the Oribe spray. The Cover FX glitter drops are $44. The Anastasia Riviera palette retails for $45. The Becca primer retails for $39. Good Molecules cleansing balm is $15. The Wayne Goss brush is $20 for this pencil brush. Woofda. And then the Hourglass is actually $36. I was thinking it was $34. It's $36. And the shade At Night is described as a brick red. So overall, my total for the box is $235 or $225 if I drop down the price of that Oribe. So over $200 in this bag, and for $75, I think that's supposed to be a really good value, so I'm trying to be excited about this bag. Again, it's a mystery bag and you don't know what's coming, and that's the appeal / risk, and I get that. It's something about the Riviera palette it's putting me in a foul mood. I don't know what it is. I just feel like it makes you feel like this bag, instead of being a lucky bag, is a let's clean out the things that didn't sell well. That's what it feels like to me, and I know that that's kind of what people say about mystery bags in general and all of that, but I don't know. It's just rubbing me the wrong way. To get to hair care products, I'm not like super enthused. I'm curious to try out this spray, but then with the Oribe one, I'm just really, I don't know, I'm kind of like confused about that one. Cover FX glitter drops aren't really my thing, so I'm gonna pass that on, or maybe I'll put it on my Poshmark. The Riviera palette, I'll probably put that one on my Poshmark as well. The Becca primer, I've tried it and I just don't really think it's a very good product. The Molecule cleansing balm, I mean, I simply already have that one, so I think that they're a good brand. I was excited to see them in the bags because hopefully more people will be able to try them out. The Wayne Goss brush I will use, and then the Hourglass lipstick. I think I would have been like super hyped if this was just more of a nude, but I am excited to try out this formula. So overall, when I break down the price of everything, I'm trying to get myself a little bit more excited, but I've seen a lot of disappointed people, especially on Twitter. I've seen a lot of disappointed people with their boxes and just kind of feeling the same way, that other years were just so much better and this year just kind of feels like a get out with the old, or get out with the stuff that didn't sell well, which is a bummer. And I did only pay $75 for the box, and it is over $200 value-wise. Is it $75 that I would have spent on the products that I'm going to keep and that I'm going to use? Probably not, but that's the risk we take with the lucky bags. So that is where I'm going to wrap up this video. That is what I got in my regular Beautylish lucky bag. Let me know, have you guys gotten your bags yet? Are they still on your way to you? Are you so excited? I feel like I haven't seen anyone yet be like, oh my gosh, I got this in my lucky box, how we've seen before with, again, with some of the palettes or some of the you know, kind of more luxury brands that we've seen. I don't feel like I've seen that yet from anyone. So let me know what you guys are getting. That's kind of how I'm feeling. I'm a little bit disappointed right now. I'm trying to put myself in a better spirit, and there are a couple products in here that I will be trying. So let me know your thoughts, of course. If you guys did enjoy this video, this little bonus video this week, I don't normally upload on a Thursday, but if you guys did enjoy this one, please do make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope that you'll also consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.